In this video, I'm going to show you can easily add contacts on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And we can add contacts on WhatsApp into different ways. The first way is to use our phone application. So just open up Phone app. Then tap Add Contacts. Tap add that plus, and then just enter contact's name. Scroll down, tap Add Phone. After that, enter phone number via the country called. And tap it down to save the changes. After that, we can close Phone app. Open up WhatsApp. And then if we tap right here at that sign, we'll be able to create a new conversation. Then we just need to scroll down until we find a contact we have just created. Also, we can use Sarge. Just tap right here at that Sarge bar. Enter someone's username, and then we can go to the conversation with that particular user. Also, we can add new contact from WhatsApp app directly. To do that, we need to go to Chats. Tap add that icon, and then tap Add New Contact. That's where we can enter phone number via the country called. Once you've done that, the WhatsApp app will check if this phone number is on WhatsApp. Then we can enter username or name for that contact. And then just stop at save. After that, we can have a conversation with that user. That's how you can easily add contacts on WhatsApp.